In this video we will be sharing the benefits of aloe vera, ways, and risk on how to use it. What is aloe vera? Aloe vera is a popular medicinal plant that people have used for thousands of years. It is a thick short-stemmed plant that stores water in its leaves. It is best known for treating skin injuries, but it also has several other uses that could potentially benefit your health. Aloe vera can be used as a bioactive compound because of its antioxidant and antibacterial effects. It is also used to heal wounds, to prevent dental plaque buildup, to treat canker sores, to ease constipation, to maintain a healthy skin, to treat blood sugar, and aids in treating and growing the hair. Aloe vera may help treat skin injuries. The cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and food industries use aloe vera in large quantities, and the plant has an estimated yearly market value of $13 billion worldwide. Aloe vera is known for its thick pointed, fleshy green leaves, which may grow up to 12 to 19 inches in length. Each leaf contains a slimy tissue that stores water. This water-filled tissue is the gel that people use to identify aloe vera products. The gel contains most of the beneficial bioactive compounds in the plant, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties which are important for health. Aloe vera gel contains powerful antioxidants which belongs to a large family of substances known as polyphenols. These polyphenols, along with several other compounds in aloe vera, help impede the growth of certain bacteria that can cause infections in humans. Aloe vera is known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. This is part of why it may help heal wounds and treat skin problems. Aloe vera may also speed up wound healing. People most often use aloe vera as an external medication, rubbing it onto the skin, rather than consuming it. In fact, it has a long history of treating sores, especially burns, including sunburn. The United States Pharmacopoeia described aloe vera preparations as a skin protectant as early as 1810 to 1820. Studies suggest that it is an effective topical treatment for first and second degree burns. For example, a review of experimental studies found that aloe vera could reduce the healing time of burns by around 9 days compared with medication. It also helped prevent redness, itching, and infections. Aloe vera also reduces dental plaque. Tooth decay and diseases of the gum are quite common health problems. One of the best ways to prevent these conditions is to reduce the buildup of plaque, or bacterial biofilms on the teeth. In a mouth rinse study of 300 healthy people, researchers compared 100% pure aloe vera juice with the standard mouthwash ingredient chlorhexidine. After 4 days of use, the aloe vera mouth rinse is said to be just as effective as chlorhexidine in reducing dental plaque. Aloe vera is effective in killing the plaque-producing bacterium Streptococcus mutans in the mouth, as well as the yeast Candida albicans. It helps treat canker sores. Many people experience mouth ulcers, or canker sores, at some point in their lives. These usually form underneath the lip, inside the mouth, and last for about a week. Studies have shown that aloe vera treatment can speed up the healing of mouth ulcers. For example, in a 7-day study of 180 people with recurrent mouth ulcers, applying an aloe vera patch to the area was effective in reducing the size of the ulcers. In another study, aloe vera gel not only speed up the healing of mouth ulcers, it also reduced the pain associated with them. Aloe vera may also help treat constipation. This time it is the latex, not the gel, that provides the benefits. The latex is a sticky yellow residue that can be found just under the skin of the leaf. The main compound responsible for this effect is called aloin. People have raised concerns about the safety with regular use. For this reason, aloe latex has not been available in the US as an over-the-counter medication since 2002. However, it is believed that aloe vera does not appear to be effective against other digestive conditions, such as irritable bowel syndrome, or inflammatory bowel disease. If you are liking the video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Aloe vera may improve skin and prevent wrinkles. There is some preliminary evidence to suggest that topical aloe vera gel can slow aging of the skin. In a 2009 study of 30 females over the age of 45, taking oral aloe vera gel increased collagen production and improved skin elasticity over a 90-day period. Reviews also suggest that aloe vera could help the skin retain moisture and improve skin integrity, which could benefit dry skin conditions. It lowers blood sugar levels. People sometimes use aloe vera as a remedy for diabetes. This is because it may enhance insulin sensitivity and help improve blood sugar management. For example, a review of 8 studies found that aloe vera could have benefits for people with prediabetes, or type 2 diabetes, due to its effects on glycemic control. Calms an itchy scalp. Seborrheic dermatitis is the clinical term for the condition we call dandruff. The symptoms of an itchy scalp and flaking skin under your hair can be treated with aloe vera. A 1998 study found that aloe vera helped resolve the scalp inflammation that is caused by dandruff. The fatty acids found in the aloe plant have anti-inflammatory properties. Deep cleans oily hair. Aloe vera cleanses the hair shaft efficiently, stripping off extra oil and residue from other hair products. However, aloe vera does not hurt your hair strand in the cleaning process. Unlike other chemicals in hair products, aloe vera is gentle and preserves the integrity of your hair. Using aloe vera is a great way to get hair that looks healthier, shinier, and softer. Strengthens and repairs hair strand. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both components can keep your hair from falling out. May promote hair growth. When your scalp has been cleansed and your hair has been conditioned with aloe vera, you might see that hair breakage and loss slows down. There are plenty of people who claim that aloe vera actually causes hair to grow much faster. But as of now, there's little clinical evidence to prove or disprove those claims. But if you want your hair to look its best, you might want to consider trying aloe vera gel as part of your hair care routine. It might not work for everyone, but there's little to no risk in trying it. Here are some risks and warnings for aloe vera. There's usually little cause for concern when using aloe vera gel, but some people are allergic to it. Aloe vera is a safe remedy with few known side effects. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health say that external use is typically safe. With that said, the oral use of aloe vera may cause stomach cramps or diarrhea, due to its laxative effects. There have also been some reports of liver damage due to long-term aloe vera supplement use. Before using aloe vera topically, do a patch test. Rub a small bit of aloe vera on the inside of your wrist and wait up to 2 hours to see if your skin reacts poorly. This will let you know if you have an aloe sensitivity. You should also be careful with topical aloe if you are using hydrocortisone cream on your skin. Aloe vera can increase the amount of cortisone that's absorbed by your skin when the two are used together. Summary. Aloe vera has a range of therapeutic properties, especially as an ointment for the skin and gums. People can use bottled aloe vera gel or take it directly from the leaf of an aloe plant. Aloe vera juice has different uses to aloe vera gel. Oral options should contain decolorized whole leaf extract of aloe vera to minimize risk. A person should always speak to a doctor before using aloe products to treat a condition. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.